It has been 2 years since I got married. My wife shows no interest in sex at all. If I don't initiate sex, she doesn't ask for it intentionally. Even when we engage in sex, she doesn't feel pleasure. I've heard that the clitoris provides pleasure to women during sex. Does my wife not have a clitoris?
The clitoris is present in everyone. Not having sexual desires depends on their mindset. Some women might have a natural aversion to sex from the beginning, or someone might have forced them in childhood. This could lead to a dislike for sex developing in them from a young age. The reason can be identified through psychoanalysis, and interest in sex can be cultivated through psychotherapy. Take your wife to a doctor, even after 2 years of marriage. Your wife not showing interest in sex could be a common issue, but understanding the reasons behind it is crucial. Sex is a natural part of married life, and there should be mutual interest and comfort between both partners. It is natural for you to feel concerned if your wife doesn't experience pleasure during sex, or doesn't talk about it. You mentioned the clitoris. Physically speaking, every woman has a clitoris, a sensitive part that provides pleasure during sex. So, assuming your wife doesn't have one isn't correct, not feeling pleasure or lacking interest in sex is more likely tied to mental or emotional factors, rather than a physical issue. There could be several reasons for a woman's lack of interest in sex. Some might naturally feel aversion or fear toward it. This could stem from childhood experiences, see for example, sexual harassment or forced incidents. Such experiences can deeply affect the mind and create a dislike for sex. Additionally, cultural background, misconceptions about sex, or stress could also contribute to this situation. What can you do to address this? First, talk openly with your wife. Try to understand her feelings and thoughts. Find out if she has any fear or discomfort regarding sex. During this conversation, don't pressure her and respect her comfort level. If she doesn't feel pleasure in sex, the reason could be physical hormonal issues, or other health problems, or psychological. Second, take her to a gynecologist or sexologist. If there is no physical issue, seek help from a psychotherapist. Psychoanalysis can uncover the hidden reasons in her mind. For instance, if there is past trauma, it can be identified, and psychotherapy can help foster a positive attitude toward sex. Third, be patient with her regarding sex. Sex isn't just a physical act. The emotional bond between you both matters too. Spend time with her and create a comfortable environment for her. Sometimes stress, fatigue, or daily responsibilities can also reduce interest in sex. Work together to understand and resolve this issue. Lastly, seeking professional help might be the best approach.